Wow, doesn't that look nice? Just a typical white, flat, smooth ceiling. Uh-huh. Yep. Nice flat ceiling in the little main hallway. And a nice flat ceiling in this bedroom. Nicely cut in on the walls. And let me tell you, you know what this video is all about? This whole video series, how to remove an old nasty popcorn ceiling, acoustic spray, whatever you want to call it, crap ceilings. You know, 1970, 1980 ceilings that used to be the rave. That's what this whole video series is about. How to remove it, how to prime it, how to sand it, how to put sheetrock mud up there, how to put the plastic up, how to paint it, how to touch up the walls, all that. That's what this video series is all about. Because you know what? You can make it look just like this. I'm just an average Joe, and I did this all by my little lonesome. Actually, the three amigos did this. Me, myself, and I. 14-foot tall ceilings, by the way. If I had a dime or a nickel for every time I went up and down the ladder, I'd be a rich man. I guess maybe 1,000 times. I got a real workout over the past week and a half. This was my project for a week and a half. Yeah, slaving away. And I did it. I'm not a professional at it, and neither are you. I know that. That's why you need to watch me do it on all the different things that came into play. The screw-ups. I did a major screw-up in the bedroom, by the way. Yes. I'm not going to tell you about it. You're going to just have to watch the video. My loss was your and is your gain every time. You know, that's what you get with my videos. You never know what I'm going to come up with next. I don't cherry pick it and just show you the good things, or if I mess up and forget to do something, I don't tell you about it. No, I tell you everything. Okay? Stick around. You're going to like this video series. Well, that's all I have for this time. But I'll be back with more